5 Best Cordless Vacuums. The item number 5 is BLACKDECKER V320JRO2. Strong suction. Lithium battery technology provides strong suction and extended runtime power rating. 10.8 volt. Suction power, 16 Ah. Makes cleaning easier. Includes a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas and flip-up brush for upholstery. The item number 4 is upgraded version handheld vacuum. You're gonna to liberate yourself with this Holife cordless handheld vacuum. Holife hand vac is lightweight and suction powerful. It works great on pet hair and corner cleaning. You will escape from tons of tiny cleaning in your house and your car. The item number 3 is handheld vacuum cordless. 6 powerful cyclonic suction Holife cordless handheld vacuum with multi-layer filter. 90-100 watts high-performance motor provides a stable 6 strong cyclonic suction. Good for daily quick pickups. A smart choice for both car cleaning and home cleaning. 6 suction is powerful enough to pick up coins. The item number 2 is BLACKDECKER V315JO42. The BLACKDECKER V315JO42 Dustbuster cordless lithium hand vacuum, Flexi Blue, is ideal for picking up dirt and debris in your everyday life. This hand vac offers increased bowl capacity, 31.8 ounces, which allows you to collect 50% more dirt before needing to empty, in comparison to HNV 220BCZ01. The item number 1 is BLACKDECKER VF110 Dustbuster. Product features replacement filter for models CHV 9610. CHV 1210, CHV 1410, CHV 1410B, CHV 1510. Replacing filters regularly helps improve the suction power of your vacuum. Filter is washable for a longer life. Dustbuster replacement filter for model CHV 9610, CHV 1210, CHV 1410. CHV 1410B, CHV 1510 hand vacs.